Da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. Yeah. Children are our future. We got to show them the way. We got to show them love. Show them love and let them know that there's a brighter day. Yeah.
And growing up in this world, they say it's all good, but they kill a man because he's in the wrong hood, or because the color clothing he wear. But when we talk about it, some people don't even care. When we go outside, see somebody ducking down because they're scared somebody might just spray some rounds. And I can't lie, hey, I don't wanna die, but to think about somebody doing a drive-by. Will they hit me or will they miss? Would I live? Or tell me, would I even go out like this? Drive by us, they gonna leave away with cheers, and behind they gonna leave my family with some tears. Somebody out here know what I mean. When your child don't live to see 16, a mother ground a child, singing that's my baby. See, that's enough to drive anybody parent crazy.
Children are our future. Children are our future. We got to show them the way. We got to show them love. Show them love and let them know that there's a brighter day.
To all my parents in the pen that got some children that won't see them grow up to be women and men. But tell me, do it even bother when your son asks his mother, where is my father? And she say that he's in prison for life, for doing something when he should've thought twice. But now your son's a thug, trying to sell drugs. Ain't no father there to show the child no love. She's working 2 jobs to bring in meat, and so the child can have somewhere that he can go to sleep. I know sometimes a child get hard-headed, but as a parent, we got to learn to deal with it. Cause there's no need for you to blow a fuse, and next up on the list there comes child abuse. Don't take what I'm saying, count and mute you. Well, this song is for my children, cause they are our future.